Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install BRD on your iOS device. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Make sure your internet is connected and head towards and click the App Store app, which is a familiar blue icon app. After clicking on that, you will head towards this UI interface. In the search bar above, you can just type in BRD Bitcoin Wallet. Various options will appear. You want to choose this app, which is the official app by BRD Wallet LLC. Click to start the download process. It may ask you for your ID verification, either with the Touch ID or the Face ID. Please proceed, and here you go, the download process has been started. It will take a few minutes to get downloaded to your device. After it's completely downloaded, you can just click to open so that the app will open, and you can create your new account or log into your existing account. Here you go, BRD has now been installed on your device. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.